9 minutes of video. Hooray. What do you see? Koopa Shell, man, that, Among Us, gun, pizza, gambling, Mario, more Among Us, the enemies, whatever that is. Okay. Also, I have this unstable reactor core. Okay, so, the plan, we drown their leader. That seems like a dark topic. Well, we're in war, so it doesn't matter. Okay. I'm literally right here. Squash. The gun is sideways, it doesn't shoot. So how do we get this on him? When he's sleeping. Okay. When is he sleeping? I don't know. Today is nighttime. Oh. Can't see no more. Well, see better then. How am I supposed to see better if I can't see anything? See better. No more nighttime. Did I get it on him? You didn't move, man. You. Oh. No, not a lock on my leg. Oh. Haha, I have the key. Oh no, there's a lock on my leg. Oh no, how will we fix it? It's a lock. It makes me slower but increased strength. That's not what locks do, but I believe it. Fire the gun. Oh man. Give me this machine gun. Man, charge. Aha, he's dead. Oh. Ouch, water. Wait, gun broken. Oh no. I'll be back in the next episode. Oh my god. Among Us. Man, this video is having a really bad cameraman. Okay. So, now. Double ice. If you die, you will have to pay double your taxes in heaven. Oh, you can't kill me. The video hasn't been going on for long enough yet. Oh, man. Oh my god, a rocket. If you kill me, you're bad at being a rocket. Water. My arm is small. Yeah. Doesn't work for the burn. Hey, I'm gonna. Oh. Whoa, dodges. Haha. Good thing I can swim, float, thing fast because small. Girl, what will we do? Bah. Hold on, I need to call somebody. Bam. Kill them. Tired. We are out of special forces. Who said we were out? Plot. Hold on. We're low on war funds. Get your gambling addiction brother to help us. Mario! What? We need your gambling addiction. I'll never give you my winnings. I'll pay this month's taxes. Are you sure? I'll pay for 15% of your gambling. Alright. Thanks for the war funds, Mario. Now I can shoot people more. Oh my gosh, brother, I will heal. Haha. Wait, heal. Haha. Heal. Oh man, I forgot they could revive. Oh man. Don't worry, guys. I'm doing this myself. Ouch. Stop him. Girl, get off me. Ah. Oh, the key. Whoa. What do I do? Ooh, a reactor core. Hit the core. Yeah. Did we win? He drowned. We won. Yay. Okay, now what? Ooh, plant food. That's not plant food, that's ammo. I win. And so do they, because they're my teammates. Friendship.